Hi, I'm Christian Meyer, founder of the Python online university Finxter.com and author of many Python coding books such as Python One-Liners and the Coffee Break Python series and many more. And in this course gives you everything you need, including a detailed training plan to reach Python freelance level in 2 months. So this is a big promise of the course. And I know you are busy, but let me ask you a question. Is there a price for which you would code Python projects rather than watching the latest Netflix series? Is it $30 per hour or $40 per hour? The average salary of a Python freelancer is $61 per hour. And in my opinion, most of us would actually code on a Python project, learn some skills, develop this well-rounded skill set of a Python practitioners, and earn, say, $61 per hour instead of watching 1 hour Netflix, right? I mean, the average person in the US maybe watches 3-4 hours Netflix or other videos every day. So of course you can carve out 1 hour doing some $61 per hour gig. I mean, this can earn you a full-time income just carving out 1 hour per day. So it has a huge potential to work as a freelance developer, just being average. I mean, of course you can be average. You can even join the top 10% of the coders. Good. So I have created this course to help you push your skills, your Python skills to a higher level so that you can sell your skills on a marketplace, earn more freelancing income on the side. So if you are if you have your main job, you work for the government, you work for a large corporation, you have a main job, maybe you are a student, and this course helps you create your side income stream with Python as a Python freelancer. So just decide on a payment plan, click the button below and fill out the form on the next page. And I give a special bonus for a limited time. If you register now, I will be your first client, hopefully giving you a good rating. So I don't have this forever because actually I'm very busy with all the course students coming in, but still I personally be the client currently now as of today, 2020 and 2021. I will be the client for your first freelancing gig. So I will pose you the gig, you will finish the gig for us. I will give you a positive rating and pay you the money you have earned, you have well deserved for your first gig, and this will give you some momentum on the freelancing platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. And it's a great way to bootstrap your skill developments and to bootstrap your success on these freelancing platforms. And if you don't love the course, no worries. I have a 30 days, no questions asked refund policy. So you can keep the downloadable material. You still get the money back if within 30 days. So actually within 60 days, but 30 days is for sure. The other 30 days and the next 30 days you have to have a good reason. But anyways, you can get the money back. You can just check out the course. So one more time, here's what you're getting. You get the course material with 100 new Python puzzles, a lot of Python course videos actually, and also lots of business wisdom that will help you boost your earnings and avoid repeating the same mistakes I did when I started out as a freelancer many years ago. We also have lessons on how to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond. I personally interviewed many successful freelancers on Upwork and on Fiverr, and they will give you their insights and they will explain their projects they completed for clients to you, so you will also get this material for free. So there's a lot of video content, a lot of downloadable content, worksheets, action steps, and so on in the course itself. You will also get four Python coding books, ebooks for free in my Coffee Break Python book series. You will get your first freelancing gig and rating. This is worth at least $25, but probably much more because you will get this momentum going on the Upwork platform. So your initial gigs are an investment in the future that will provide you more and more gigs in the future and higher earning over time. And even if you are a complete beginner, you should start now earning some money on the platform and then just increasing your earning potential over time by developing more and more skills over time. You will also get an individual training plan to help you reach your goals in 2 months, and a free spot on my website where you can advertise your services as a Python freelancer. And this helps you to get your dream freelancing projects much easier. Also, for a limited time, I have another benefit that I want to offer you. You as a freelancer course member will get a lifetime Finxter premium membership for free. So this includes unlimited download of certificates on the Finxter.com app for puzzle-based learning, for solving Python puzzles, to prove your Python skills to your future employer or your future clients. And you will get this lifetime membership. And this is the only way of getting the lifetime membership. This alone is worth the course fee, but of course you also have all the other benefits. You will also get lifetime access to the Finxter Computer Science Academy, which is again a separate platform. So you will have access to 3 platforms: to the course material itself, to the Finxter.com website, and then to the Finxter Computer Science Academy, which contains many mini courses in the Python space and educational material, many like video courses and so on the academy. And this academy also grows over time. So this is like this is the package you are getting. The value is in the thousands of dollars, but you will get it today for this price offered on the website. And I think it's the best deal. And my goal with this course is to give you much more in value than you pay for the course. Because you can save, you can learn from the mistakes from others. You don't have to repeat the mistakes themselves. And if you just save a week or 2 weeks of time by joining this course, then this course will already have paid the fee many times over, paid back to you many times over. So this is designed to be a very good investment in your education, in your future. So don't wait any longer. Go to the next level in Python and start working from home. Get the course now.